Hi friends, today for our literacy activity, it's called Put Them Together. So we're going to blend sounds together to make words. So we've been practicing, haven't we? So you're going to need this build a word magnet board. So it's the blue box you will need. And then what I did is laid out some pictures and I laid out some of the alphabet letters. So display them in front of you so you guys can see and you can pick which ones that you want to sound out. So I've got a picture of what? A fox. A fox. So what letters do you hear when we say fox? So I hear a fox. What letter is that? Yes, it's an F. And then I hear ox. 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 What sound is that? Or what letter is that? It is an X. And then I hear a like octopus. What vowel would that be? It is an O. So sound it out. We have ox. Put it together. Fox. Ox. Fox. All right. Good work. Let's try another one. How about this one? What's that? Bat. Bat. B-at. Bat. So what letter makes this sound? B. Bat. You're right, a B. I hear a B. T. Oh, I hear that. T. What letter is that? T. A. It's an A. At. You're right. At spells bat. All right, let's find another one. How about this? Ooh, that's a pin. Sometimes you call it a safety pin, but we're going to call it a pin. P-in, pin. So what makes the p sound? You're right, a P. P-in, pin. I hear an N. N. What makes the I sound? You're right, the I. In. Pen. All right, we'll do one more and then I'm gonna let you guys do it on your own. We're gonna call that a web. Web. All right, what letter makes this sound? W. W. What? Ebb. Web. B. I hear a B at the end. Do you? Web. B. I do too. And then I hear this letter. What? Elephant. E. We spelled web. So your mom or you could pick a picture. There's so many pictures to pick from, isn't there? Put your picture and then use your letters. And you sound out the words. Or you sound out the letters to make a word. Right? So, app. So you're going to have to find a yeah, an M, an A, and a P, right? All right. So have fun practicing writing your words and sounding them out.